This is a vertical dual monitor stand that I got from Amazon. And in this video, I'm gonna be installing on it these two 32-inch 4K monitors. We're gonna also be testing its sturdiness, and also we're gonna be testing the limit of the adjustments, physical adjustments of the monitors once they are installed on it. And I'm gonna show you how to do its cable management. And of course, I'm gonna show you what comes in its box and how to assemble it. So let's empty the content of the box. This is everything you get in the box. So this is a manual. All these screws here are for the Vesa mounts. So they give you all kinds of screws and also all kinds of washers and thick and thin washers. These are the Vesa mounts for the screens. This is the joint to put here. You're gonna see it in a bit. And these are the tools to assemble the neck and put the neck on the base. So I'm gonna start by assembling the neck and putting it on the base. So we're gonna start by putting the neck together like this. And notice that it has keys here. And this is where this should go inside here. So for the keys, look on how this key goes here. So we need now to put 3 screws here. And these are the screws we need. So they are the short screws. And they provide also the Allen wrench to tighten the screws. First, put the screws with hand, and then we're gonna tighten the screws once all the screws are in. And this is the neck assembled. The next step is to put the neck on the base. So you have these rubber feet that you need to put on the base first. The base has glass here and it is metal here. So you need to put the rubber feet on the metal. So remove this like this, and then put them on the 4 corners of the base. And here they are. Now turn the base like this. So now the glass is facing up, and this is the plastic washer that you should put on the glass. So align the holes here like this. And now this is the neck. So you need to put it here by aligning the screws and the screw holes. You put it like this here. And now you need to turn it to install it. If you have someone to help you, it will be better. So for me, I'm gonna do it alone. You need the 3 long screws, and you need this foam pad, and you need this plate. This is what I'm gonna do to be able to do it alone. So first, I'm gonna put it like this here, and then this foam pad has holes here. Just remove them. Remove everything here. Align it, and then put the plate on it. And then let's put 1 screw. You can now put the washer here like this, the plastic one. And now you align the neck. And this way you can install the first screw and then continue with the others. So install the first screw with your hand slowly. So here it is, I'm screwing it in. Of course, it's not easy when you do it alone. So now the screw went in. I'm gonna put it all the way in with my hand. So now it is all the way in. Now I can put the other 2 screws. And now always with a small Allen wrench, you can tighten it. And here it is tight enough. Now it's time to install the Vesa support on the Vesa mount of the screen. So this is the Vesa support that comes with the stand, and notice that it is labeled up here. So you have up and you have an arrow, and this is the screen and it is up like this. So you need to install it like this. Make sure to install it in the right direction. For this screen, I'll be needing this small screw and this also shallow washer. And because the screw here, when you put it in the washer, it is a little bit loose, I got also metal washers. These are not provided with the stand, so I got them from the dollar store. I'm gonna put a metal washer here, and then the screw, and then put it here and screw it in. By the way, the Vesa mount of the screen is 100 millimeters times 100 millimeters. And this Vesa mount also has smaller screws for smaller Vesa mounts. Before installing the Vesa mount on the second screen, I want to tell you that it is very important to remove the legs of the screen. Now each screen has its own legs. For this ViewSonic, for instance, this one was here and it had screws, so I just removed them. The other one, it was here. Do not disregard the legs of the screen. You never know, you might use them in the future. The next step is to hang the screen on the neck here, and notice you have many places to hang it. And for my ViewSonic screen, because the Vesa mount is on the top, I'm gonna hang it on the bottom here on the neck on the highest setting. So you have these latches that will go in. So you have to align the latches with the hole here on the top, and then slide it in and make sure that they slide all the way in. So now it is in. And now the next step is to install these screws on the back, so for them to hold the screen. So you insert it in the highest hole here, insert it like this, and then tighten it. So this screw here needs to be tightened also, so that the screen tilt position can be adjusted. So let me tighten it, just tighten it a little bit, and here it is tight. And now you can adjust the tilt position of the screen. And now I'm gonna install the second screen on top. So now the screw is tight, and the screen will tilt like this because I didn't yet tighten the screw that is here. So now I'm gonna tighten it. So here it is enough like this. Now I'm gonna install the cable management. You have two small holes here on the bottom, and this is also a third one here on the bottom. Let me show it to you. The cable management, they provide three, and simply push them in the hole here like this. So these are the cables installed. Simply now you just put the cable here like this, and you close it so that it doesn't go out. Let me show you now the sturdiness of this stand. So first of all, it doesn't squeak at all, and it really holds its place. So it doesn't tilt easily to the front, and also it doesn't tilt easily to the back nor to the sides. And really it holds everything in place very well. For the adjustments that it has three adjustments. The first one is that the screen can swivel side to side like this, and then also it can tilt like this or like this, and also it can rotate 360 degrees. Now of course, depending on the size of the screens, you need to be careful so that the screens don't touch each other, but this is also nice to know that you can rotate the screens like this. So this is the final result, and this is why I purchased this stand, because I have two cameras and I need two big monitors so that when I live stream or when I record, I can see both cameras. If you want to check out this stand, I'm gonna leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description. If you make a purchase using my link, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm Eloy from Knowledge Sharing Tech. See you in the next video.